Contour Surveyors is a reputable surveying company based in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. With years of experience in the industry, we specialize in providing accurate and reliable contour surveys for various projects. Our team of highly skilled and trained professionals is committed to delivering top-notch services to our clients. At Contour Surveyors, we understand the importance of accurate contour surveys in the design and construction process. A contour survey provides valuable information about the shape and elevation of a piece of land. This information is crucial for architects, engineers, and developers to determine the feasibility of a project, plan the layout, and make important design decisions. Whether you are planning to develop a residential or commercial property, our team of expert surveyors will conduct a thorough contour survey of the site. We use state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to accurately measure and map the contours of the land. Our surveys provide detailed information about the existing features, such as slopes, ridges, depressions, and water bodies, which can greatly influence the design and construction process. Working with Contour Surveyors gives you the assurance that you are receiving reliable and precise data for your project. Our team is well-versed in using advanced software to process the collected data and create accurate contour maps. These maps provide a visual representation of the land's topography, allowing you to better understand its characteristics and design accordingly. We have successfully completed numerous contour survey projects in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, and have earned a reputation for our professionalism and accuracy. Contact us today to discuss your project requirements and let us assist you in making informed design decisions based on accurate contour survey data. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, there is a respectable surveying business called Contour Surveyors. With years of experience in the field, we are experts at providing precise and trustworthy contour surveys for a range of projects. Our team of highly qualified and experienced specialists is dedicated to providing our clients with top-notch services. We at Contour Surveyors are aware of how critical precise contour surveys are to the planning and building processes. An accurate understanding of a piece of land's shape and elevation can be gained from a contour survey. For architects, engineers, and developers to assess a project's viability, plan the layout, and make critical design decisions, they need this information. Whether you want to build a home or a business, our team of knowledgeable surveyors will perform a complete contour survey of the site. We precisely measure and map the topographic contours of the terrain using cutting-edge tools and methods. Our surveys offer in-depth knowledge of the existing characteristics, such as slopes, ridges, depressions, and water bodies, which can have a significant impact on the planning and building phases. You can be sure that when you work with Contour Surveyors, the data you are getting for your project is accurate and reliable. Our team is skilled in processing the gathered data and producing precise